see the next question on the development of the solid. Here is the question. A cone 50 mm base diameter and 70 mm axis is standing on its base on the HP. It is cut by a section plane 45-degree inclined to the HP through base end of end generator. Okay, it is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP through base end of end generator. Draw projection, sectional view, true shape of the section, development of the surfaces of the remaining solid. So first we have to draw the front view and top view of a cone. Right? So this is your uh, top view of the cone, and I am dividing the circle into the 8 parts. You can also cut it into the 12 part also. Okay, so now I am drawing the front view of the cone like this. So how to draw the front view and top view of a cone we have already discussed in the position of the solid, so I am not going into that. Okay, and this is your front view and top view. Now we have to make the side view of the cone. So the side view, in the side view also it will look exactly like it is looking in the front view. Only the only difference is there will be different points in the base. If you look the cone from this side, uh, then you can see these points G, H, A, B, C at the front, and this point F, E, and D at the back. Okay, so here these points will be nothing but this point will be G, then so this point end point will be G, this point will be H, this point will be A, this point will be B, this point will be C, and again H, this point F is just behind the point H, so this point will be F also. Similarly, this point will show you point E as well. Similarly, this point will show you point D as well. So like this, you can complete this side view. Then you have to cut the cone by a section plane inclined at 45 degree, which is passing through the base end. This is your base, and this is your base end of a end generator. This is your end generator, and this is your base end, this point. So this section plane is passing through this point and at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. So when you cut this section, then you can see how it is cutting the cone uh, at point A, then this generator at this point, and again on these generators O dash, C dash, G dash at this point. Again the other generator O dash, F dash, and O dash, D dash at this point, and O dash, E dash at this point. So we will transfer all these points in the top view. So like this, you can transfer the points. This is your generator OE, this is your OE, this is your generator O dash, F dash, and O dash, D dash. This is your OF, and this is your OD. The similar way you can transfer all the points, but this point you can transfer it just uh, as I told you in the previous problems. You have to transfer this point on this generator like this.